Kia ora Year 9. This is the first video to go over basic skills with fractions. I'm going to work through some problems that are slightly easier than the ones we've been doing in class. So we're going to start with how do we add this. So we've got 1/8 plus 1/2. Right, to think about this problem, before we start just doing it, I'm going to draw some very long bars of chocolate. Now what we want to do if we're adding 1/8 and 1/2 is to picture what they mean. Well, let's look at the 1/2 first. So here's 1/2, and down here, let's break this into 7. Sorry, break it into 8, not 7. So now I should have 8 bits, pretend that they're all even, so we want to add one of those. We can't add two things together unless they are the same thing. So we want to know how many pieces of chocolate have I got if I add 1/8 of a bar and 1/2 of a bar. I need to think about that 1/2 in a different way. So here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to think about the 1/2 as 4/8. So what am I doing there? Well, I'm saying I can change 1/2 into 4/8 because I'm comfortable with equivalent fractions. So I'm looking here for a common denominator. In this case it's really easy to see that 2 goes into 8. So we can change that half into 4/8. So what do I get here? Well, I get 1/8 plus 4/8, and that equals 5/8. So let's take a look at 5/8 and see if that's a good final answer. We need to check if there are any common factors that I can simplify, and there aren't. So 5/8 is the end of that problem. Let's look at a couple more now on the next slide. Okay, let's try 2/3 plus, I'll do 1/5. So this one's a little bit harder to draw. This is the last one that I'm going to do with drawing, but we'll give it a go. So here's 2/3 and 1/5. So you can see that this is getting messy to try and work with. There's my 2/3 and there's my 1/5. So this time we have to change both of those. We're going to say, let's make them into equivalent fractions and make our denominator 15. So each third we're going to divide into 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 2/3 has become 10/15. And the 1/5, well, we'll divide each of these like this. So 1/5 has become 3/15. Now that they're the same size, we can add them together and we get 13/15. Now we don't want to be drawing bars of chocolate for much longer, so we're going to move with the next questions to just doing them using our numerical process. So let's try 3/4 plus 2/7. Right, we're looking for the lowest common multiple of those two numbers. We can work with a higher one, but it's just going to mean we have to do more mental arithmetic. So 4/7 are 28. Let's try that. Right, so what do we do to the 4? We times it by 7. So we've got 3 times 7 here, and we've got 2 times 4 here. Because we multiplied the 7 by 4, we have to do the same thing to the 2. So we get 21/28 plus 8/28, which gives me 29/28 altogether. It's nice to write that as a mixed number, so it's going to be 1 and 1/28. Okay, I hope that helped. You could try some of the ones in the textbook now. Remember, you can get to the textbook by going through the Mathematics Department website on EWC. So you want to find the Year 9 page. Right, but I can show you that in class. Thanks for watching and let me know if this helped.